Happy New Year, all. So let's make some beef tortilla chips casserole. Very easy. So hubby was craving for this. I decided to make it at home for him. So that's the pack of tortilla chip I'll be using. I'm using one whole pack. I've already added the pack in that baking sheet, in my baking sheet like so. So now I am topping it off with the brown ground beef. Okay, so get your ground beef, brown it and season it properly. So after that, I'll be putting on my gloves because now we'll be using our hands. So now I am adding some black beans and some white bean as a topping. This is optional. If you don't like beans, you can skip it. But I love to add some beans to my tortilla casserole. So next I'm adding some carrot sticks to it. Okay. Then here are the vegetables I'll be using. So I have some diced fresh tomatoes. I have some diced yellow sweet pepper, some diced onion. I'm using purple onion here, and some diced habanero pepper for the heat. Now I am topping it up with some jalapeno pepper for the heat. Like, I love spicy. If you don't like spiciness like me, you can skip the habanero pepper. So I added some habanero pepper and I added the jalapeno pepper to give it some heat. Okay, this is African style, not the Mexican. So next I added some parsley leaves. Now I'm gonna season it a little bit. I'm seasoning the vegetables I just added. So I added some chili pepper and all-purpose seasoning. Okay, do this the way you like you can see I am twisting it the way we love to eat it. So next I'll go on with some mozzarella cheese here. Be generous with the mozzarella cheese. This recipe, cheese is the key. Yeah, more cheese, the more delicious it comes out to be. So I'm trying to make sure the cheese is well blended and well covered. Add more cheese as you like. Yeah. So next I'll be also topping it up with some American cheese. Like I say, do you, okay? Do you add more cheese if you love more cheese in your tacos? Add more chips. If you don't like more chips, add a little. So everything is optional, when it comes to cooking. So I'll be be topping it up with this American cheese, and that's the way hubby love it too. This is one of his favorite snack. It's not really food, it's a snack to us, but to Mexicans, it's a really full food for them. We Africans, we see this as just a side snack, All right, so I'll be baking this in the oven. I preheated my oven for 400 and I baked this for about 15 minutes or 20 minutes just bake it until the cheese are melted. Okay, so for about 15 minutes, and as you can see, it's ready. It's ready. So just serve it like so and enjoy. You can see, very delicious snack. Oh, he can't wait. As you guys know, he can't wait. That's his favorite. Look at him enjoying his food. You don't want to hear what he's saying. He's just praising, giving praises. He's giving me praises, showering praises. Oh my God! He said I'm number one, the best wife in the whole wide world. Okay, there. So yeah, he's giving thumbs. You can know he's enjoying his dish. So this is something very quick, very easy, something you can make at home once you have the ingredients. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.